Guys, welcome back with another video. We're here and I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get MX bikes on Xbox or anything. So yeah, let's get into it. Make sure to like and subscribe. And like our last video, our goal is gonna be 300 subscribers. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, you're gonna be on your home page and you're gonna come up to here. So it says My Games and Apps, and then you're gonna come down to Apps here. Go over to Microsoft Edge. And what I did is I typed in MX bikes, like right here, like how it says right there. And this came up. It said like, I started on news, I went to purchase, and I came down to here, and it says buy on Steam. And so I went on Steam, and I clicked that, and it came up as MX bikes right here for $35. So yeah, I hope that helped you a lot if you're into motocross and wanted to play like MX bikes. So I hope you guys have a great time and have a great Wednesday, because the video will probably be uploaded tomorrow by the time I recorded it today. So yeah, peace out.